How to unlock and turn on your 2021 Cadillac XT6 with a dead key battery. First, take the key out of the key fob by pushing the side button with your fingernail and pulling out the key. This process can be tricky and might take a while. Locate the hole underneath the door handle. Once you have the key out of the key fob, locate the flattest end from where the keychain hangs on the mechanical key. Place this end closest to the car and put the key up inside the hole. Inside the hole, pull the door handle and pull on the key. This will release the key cover cap. Then pull away. Warning: when turning the key inside the key cylinder, make sure not to turn the key more than 2 times, or else the vehicle will put itself into programming mode and you will not be able to start the vehicle. Once this process is complete, insert the key into the key cylinder. Then turn 1 time to the left. When you open the door, the vehicle horn may chirp. You will have 10 seconds to start the vehicle before the panic alarm goes off. Inside the vehicle, locate the key area inside the center console and place your key in the area emblem down. Then start the vehicle as you normally would. Place the cover by putting the end closest to the trunk down towards the car and then pushing the cap forward. Then push down on the front part of the cover by the button and then tug to make sure it is secure. Then put the mechanical key back inside the key fob and make sure you hear a click. Then it will be secure.